Hello, this is John. Welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero. In this video, let's go over a mistake that a lot of beginners make when they first speak Chinese. And it has to do with the word 是, meaning to be. For example, beginners often say things like 这是值得. The problem with this sentence is the word 是. A lot of students make this mistake by directly translating the English phrase it is worthy or it is worth it. We're supposed to simply get rid of the 是 and say 这值得, 这值得, it is worth it. Whether or not to use the word 是 is actually quite complex, but here I'm going to break this down into 4 rules. Rule number 1, do not use 是 before adjectives. For example, do not say 这里西瓜是便宜. 便宜, meaning cheap, is an adjective. We shouldn't use 是 before adjectives. So the sentence should become 这里西瓜便宜. 这里西瓜便宜. Another example. It's wrong to say 这面条是好吃. Instead, say 这面条好吃. 这面条好吃. Or we can add 很 to specify the degree. 这面条很好吃. 这面条很好吃. Another example. It's wrong to say 我的国家是很热闹. Instead, we should say 我的国家很热闹. 我的国家很热闹. Rule number 2. Do not use 是 before verbs. For example, do not say 我是在宿舍. The word 在 is a verb, meaning to be at or to be in. 在宿舍 means to be in the dormitory. So because 在 is a verb, we should not use a 是 before it. We should simply say 我在宿舍. 我在宿舍. Another example. Do not say 我们在这里是有一个例子. 有 meaning to have is a verb, so we should not use 是 before 有. Instead, just say 我们在这里有一个例子. 我们在这里有一个例子. Rule number 3. Do use 是 before the phrases. For example, consider this mistake sentence. 这个学校中国最好的. 这个学校中国最好的. Why is this wrong? Because 中国最好的, meaning the best in China, is a the phrase. It's a the phrase because it ends in the. So in this case, we should actually add a 是 before that. We should say 这个学校是中国最好的. 这个学校是中国最好的. Another example. 这张照片新的. 这张照片新的 should become 这张照片是新的 because 新的 is a the phrase. The same thing here. 这钱我的. 这钱我的 because 我的meaning mine is a the phrase. So let's add a 是 before it. 这钱是我的. 这钱是我的. And rule number 4. Do use 是 before nouns. For example, consider this mistake sentence. 我们的老师们中国人. 我们的老师们中国人. Because 中国人, meaning Chinese, like a Chinese person, is a noun. So we should add a 是 before it. 我们的老师们是中国人. 我们的老师们是中国人. Alright, so that are the 4 rules. So now let's do a quick review. We should not use 是 before adjectives. We should not use 是 before verbs. We do use 是 before the phrases and before nouns. So if we simplify this a little bit, we should just remember only use 是 before the phrases or nouns. Only use 是 before the phrases or nouns. Let's do some quick practice and see if you can remember it. So please tell me, should I add a 是 in the blank here? 这部电影非常好看。这部电影非常好看。Should I add a 是 here? Remember, we should only use 是 before the phrases or nouns. 非常好看, is that a the phrase? No. Is that a noun? No. So, should we use 是? No, we should not. 这部电影非常好看. That's it. 这部电影非常好看. Now let's try another one. 我的这个手机 blank 中国的。我的这个手机 blank 中国的。Now, should I translate is as 是 in this case? Well, what's after the blank? 中国的, is that a the phrase? Well, yes it is. Therefore, we should add a 是 here. 我的这个手机是中国的。我的这个手机是中国的。The last question. 这件衣服 blank 漂亮。这件衣服 blank 漂亮。Should I add a 是 here? You're right, we should not. 这件衣服漂亮。That's it. 这件衣服漂亮。Or 这件衣服很漂亮。Alright, so that's everything for this video. Don't forget to only use 是 before the phrases or nouns. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. If you want to learn all the grammar points of HSK 1, including this one, you can sign up for the full HSK 1 video course. Just tap on the square button to the left.